Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto platform, which is Enkrypt Browser Wallet. So to get started with the breakdown and the beginner review about Enkrypt Browser Wallet. So to get started, in 2025, Enkrypt stands out as a powerful multi-chain browser wallet developed by the teams behind the MyHida wallet. It supports over 70 networks including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Solana, and more, all from a single browser extension. Enkrypt is non-custodial, open source, and integrates well with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. It also features built-in token swap, NFT viewing, DApp support, and fiat on ramp, making it a versatile tool for active W3 users. However, Enkrypt isn't without flaws. Many users report bugs in the interface, such as slow or frozen login windows, using UI element, and poor password recovery option. It lacks mobile app and desktop apps, meaning you are limited to browser user only. While the extensions offer a solid functionalities, it's still a hot wallet, making it less secure than cold storage. And its support service has been criticized for being slow or unresponsive. And here's a better conclusion about this crypto platform. Enkrypt is a strong option for experienced crypto users who want a multi-chain access and DApp connectivity in one place. But if you are new to crypto, or you need a top-tier security or want a smoother user experience, it may be worth exploring other app options. But use with caution and always back up your recovery phrase securely in order not to lose your fund. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto wallet. And if you find this video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.